like our videos, please click on the subscribe and bell button to receive notifications to our channel. None of the stocks mentioned herein should be considered as stock recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information presented here. Friends, since the time we started our channel, the one common comment across all our videos has been to go ahead and record our content in Hindi. Now, it was not directly possible because we also have a non-Hindi speaking audience and we have to take care of their needs as well. So what we did was we went ahead and launched a simultaneous channel in Hindi where all the audio would be in Hindi. So I'm providing a link at the top of the screen. So please go ahead, watch those videos and subscribe to this channel if Hindi is your preferred language. Porinju Veliyath is one of the most successful small cap stock pickers in India. Honeybricks Property, which is linked to Porinju Veliyath, has recently gone ahead and bought 5 lakh shares in Khetan Chemicals at rupees 15. Now, normally Porinju goes ahead and buys shares using his firm Equity Intelligence, but this may have been an attempt by him to fly under the radar. The seller here was Visa Capital Partners, who sold 8,81,436 shares at rupees 15.10. Now, please watch this video to know more about this company. Now, the company Khetan Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited is currently trading at 21.70, which means just over the last few days, like couple of days, it has gone ahead and moved up 40% from Porinju's acquisition price. Now, Khetan Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited is a manufacturer of straight inorganic fertilizers. The company manufactures single superphosphate SSP, sulfuric acid SA, and soya edible oil. It has 3 segments: fertilizers and chemicals, agri, and others. Its products under fertilizer division includes SSP, Khetan single superphosphate powder, and granulated, and Utsav single superphosphate powder and granulated. Its products under chemical division include sulfuric acid, oleum, sulfur trioxide. Its products under soya division include crude soya oil, refined vegetable oil, and de-oiled coke. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you would see that the stock has absolutely done nothing for the entire year. But recently, there has been a huge spike, which is because of Porinju's buying. Now, when he actually went ahead and bought this stock, this was a micro cap stock. But since then, after the 40% rise, the stock has graduated on to becoming a small cap. The book value for the stock is 13.30, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 1.63. which is quite reasonable. The earnings per share for the stock is 0.14, which means that the stock is currently trading at a whopping price to earnings ratio of 155. Now, the industry PE here is 21.34, which means that the stock is very, very expensive compared to the industry PE. The face value for the stock is 1 and the dividend yield percent is 0.23%. The dividend percent is 5. Now, if you were to look at the promoter holding, this is from the Khetan group of companies, and this percentage 75 is pretty huge and indicates the promoters' very strong belief in their own company. The 52-week high for the stock is 23.44, whereas the 52-week low for the stock is at 12.60. Now, one important point to also mention here is this stock is also the darling of many other niche investors, and one of them is Shyam Sekhar. He has a huge holding in the company. Also, Mr. Jaju, who is also a famous investor, also holds a good amount of stake. Thanks for watching, and what we'll do is we'll bring to you more future videos of the same sort where we will show you institutional activity along with buy and sell videos from some of the top marquee names in the Indian stock market. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.